Okay, good day and welcome to uh, day 7 of our 34-day programming session. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write your CSS code outside your tags. Previously, we've been writing our CSS code inside the tags. We've been using inline CSS, and from today onwards, we're going to be using external CSS. The benefit of external CSS is that it keeps you more organized. It's easier for you to debug such and than going online, especially if you have thousands of code lines. So it's easier for you to just go to the folder and then debug your code. Right now, okay, let's jump straight in. So we're going to create, to start off, we're going to create files. So you click on files, then you click on new file. Then it is a text building file. So down here, plain text, we type CSS and then CSS. Yeah, you get it. So we're going to call the body and then curly brackets. Curly brackets. So this is how we call. So let's set background color first. Let's say background color. Background color. And let me call that red. Okay. Now when you set background color as red, now you're meant to save this. So we'll save it in here. You could call it styles.css, you call it CSS.css, you call it anything you want. In anyone you could remember. Okay, so we use styles because that's the default name, but you could use anything, it doesn't matter. Whatever you choose to save your name as is, it doesn't matter. Okay, to prove that, let me just use sty.css. So let me save it. So right here. So now notice that if you refresh this site 1,000 times, nothing is going to happen. The reason is that we've not linked the CSS to the HTML. This is our HTML code. This is a body blank and there's nothing in here. We've not linked this to this. So the linking is the most important part. You could write all your codes in the CSS. Once you've not linked it, now to link the CSS, what you do is go into the head section. Right there inside the head, then you create link rel equal to style sheet and href say is equal to. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to locate the folder where I have my CSS. So the folder where I have my CSS is this folder. All right. Now my CSS is in this. My CSS code should be inside this folder, right? So that's where I save my CSS. So I have to locate it, and I have to locate it, right? So all right. Now to locate it, I'm going to say CSS no. Okay. / style. All right. That's CSS. All right. Now, when I do this, remember to close your bracket. So save. When you save this, what happens? Your site refreshes and it is red. It says background color is red. Now, if you want to make instead of putting a background color, let's say you want to put a background image, you can also use say background image. And you're going to say URL. Okay. Now, one thing you should know is that please always remember to put. What you should not remember is that in locating files in CSS, in HTML, we just use the code /, but in CSS you use 2 dots, 2 period, then /, then you go to images. That's where I have the file, and /, I have bg.jpg. That's the image I want to use. So, and I close that. All right. So remember, whenever you want to close your CSS, you use a semicolon. Now, when this refreshes, notice that I have imported my image here to the site, but the image looks too large and too large, too rusty. So I have to put a few lines of codes. So the first one will be background repeat, and I'm going to set it to no repeat. And what I mean by no repeat is that I don't want this image to start cropping itself very little and everywhere. Then next, I'm going to set background size, background image size, background size. We set background size to 100%. All right. Now, when I save this, and okay, everything looks cool. So when I save that, possibly let's reduce this to 10. Okay, let's reduce this to 10, and then okay, so it to respond faster. So when I save that, you see that the background image has come in, and then this is the normal image, and this looks very nice. All right, let me go to the paragraph. Let me go here into the paragraph. So, and so the paragraph, I'm going to write, copy a lorem ipsum. So, this paragraph is much. So let me say one paragraph and generate. So, 5 paragraphs, that's too much. So let me copy a paragraph. Okay. Now, okay. I'll bring them all down. So they can be in the environment where we can observe them. All right. Oh, this is quite much already. All right, let's save this paragraph. So when we save this paragraph, remember, oh no, okay. Remember, okay, we're making this paragraph, let's make it bold. All right, so I'll make this paragraph bold. All right, the paragraph is bold. Now let's go back to the CSS and let me call the paragraph up. So I'm going to say P and then curly bracket. Now I'm going to say, okay, set the color of the paragraph. Color is, sorry, color is red. And what they say padding. It's a padding is padding is 20 pixels. So okay, now what happens is that it's arranged it. You can see that very well if I remove this. Let me move this background image. Let me move this background image and set it as background color. But we just use background for everything. So let's say black. Let's say black. Okay. Now you see that everything I'm doing on the CSS is reflecting right here. So I would like you to try it, do some more, create some more background images, change it, and get used to your external environment, external CSS environment. And if you have questions, please don't forget to comment in the section below. Drop your questions in the comment section below. I'll always attend to you 247. So we're here for you, and we're gonna keep doing this. We're gonna keep pushing this until we all get to the peak. Thank you very much. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button to always get you informed whenever we drop a new video. See you next time in the next video. Bye.